All right, let's take a look at an interesting Zippo today. Now this one arrived in the plain Zippo black box, and the back of it says Vampire. Now this was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. Nothing special about the insert, except that it's made in the USA and it's a Zippo, of course. That is supposed to be a vampire skull. It's on a white matte finish, and it looks like the date on this is looks like E of 16. Pretty good stampings, good sound, steel insert, lights up nice. Now actually, to me, this looks more like a cat skull. Looks more like a cat than a vampire. This is an older Zippo made in, I think it's 04. But yeah, they're calling this a vampire skull. It's not bad. Let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. Okay, so that passed the lit drop test, okay. That'll go in my, I'm not sure if it'll go in my skull section or the white section. Pretty nice Zippo, but I don't think it looks a lot like a vampire. But it was made in the USA, as all genuine Zippos are, and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.